Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete a saved place on Apple Maps, navigation cleanup step by step clearly. Open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure you are on the main map screen so you can access your saved locations. Tap your profile icon or the circular account button in the top right corner. If you don't see an icon, swipe up on the bottom search card to reveal more options. Tap Favorites if the place is saved as a favorite. Or tap Collections if you saved the place inside a custom list. If you use Library, tap Library to see all your saved sections in one place. Choose the list where you think scroll slowly and find the exact place name you want to remove. Tap the place to open its place card with details. Look for the saved indicator, which can appear as a check mark or a saved label. Tap the Saved button to remove it from your saved places. If you see Remove or Unsave, tap that option to confirm. Go back one screen and check that if the place is in a collection, open that specific collection again. Tap the three-dot menu on the collection screen if available. Select Edit Collection to manage the items inside it. Find the place inside the collection list. Tap the red minus button or delete option next to the place. Tap Done to save the changes to the collection. If you can't find edit controls, swipe left on the place name in the list. Tap Delete when the Delete button appears after swiping. To remove a pin location, go back to the map and find the pin if it's visible. Tap the pin to open the place card. Scroll down on the place card to locate any save or favorite status. Tap Save to turn it off and remove it from your saved list. If Apple Maps is synced with iCloud, wait a few seconds for the change to sync. Close and reopen Apple Maps to confirm the saved place is fully removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.